Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. Today I am unboxing the May 2023 Silver Swag box. It says, "Send love, stay connected." This box was created during the pandemic to keep your loved ones close to you, especially the seniors in your life. And this is what it looks like for May. It says, "Good morning, May. I have peeked at some of the stuff, but I haven't cut the sticker apart. So let's go ahead and do that." This is one of my favorite boxes on the channel. It really should be called Silver Swag I Am So Cozy because it has so many items in here that make me feel just really nice and cozy, and it relates to the home. And here's what a sneak peek looks like. And here's the theme for the month. It's called Mind Your Biscuits. Cute play on words there. And as always, I have some conversation starter questions in here that you could read to your loved one, be it an elder person or even your college daughter or son. Like, what is your best or most memorable advice your mom ever gave you? I'm not going to tell you what my mom said to me because it's X-rated and I can't say it on this channel, but maybe in a smaller group I would discuss it. Who is someone you consider wise and why? What or who have been the greatest sources of wisdom in your life? What advice would you give to someone younger than you? Well, I'll give that advice right now. Travel, 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 and the rest will fall into place. I recommend traveling around the world, around the United States, before getting tied down to career and family. That's my advice to you guys. Okay, enough chit chat. Let's get on with the box. And there is another card, very cute. It says, "Thanks for being part of Silver Swag." And before I show you anything in this box, I do have a code. It's a non-affiliate code, $15 off your box if you enter into a 6 or 12-month subscription. I'll leave the code down below. I believe it's like Jane15. Will get you $15 off your first box. So here are all the items in the box. I'm just going to take the first one off the top, and it is a really pretty large silicone spatula. To make our biscuits. It says vintage inspired, dishwasher ready. Be beautiful on the back. It's a really nice sized spatula, and I could actually use one of these. I'm not a huge baker, but you don't always need spatulas for baking, just to scrape any kind of bowl. So this is really nice. I really like it, and yeah, I don't own something that's big and blue like this. So that's the first item. And then the second item, it's by Adam's Apple Company. It is a 10-ounce jar of apple jam, apple pie jam. So this is great. It says, "Warm up and serve over ice cream. Use as a filler for apple fritters. Add to cottage cheese. Make a perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich." That's my favorite. Serve over cream cheese or pair it with sharp white cheddar cheese and salty crackers. So yeah, that sounds really nice. And who doesn't love apple pie jam? So there you go. Probably put this as pie filling, maybe. I don't know. Okay, and the next thing we got, this is not a food item. This is Simply Coffee Scrub. 9 ounces. I've used coffee scrub before. You just use it on your body to exfoliate. It's great for exfoliating your legs and your arms. And it is made with organic, fair trade sugar coffee grounds, and coconut oil. So that is the third thing. And I just want to see if they say anything about that. Yeah, I basically told you all there is to tell you about it. It's by Adam's Apple. Okay, then we have a candle. Sunday brunch. I can smell it from out here. It's not even open. Oh, look at this candle. Isn't that the cutest candle? It has little waffles on it. Oh, wow. That is really nice. This is a Sunday brunch candle, hand-poured soy candle. Yes, for soy candles. I love them. With notes of maple, cinnamon, vanilla, and pecans, topped with mini waffles. Sadly, they are not edible. So, yeah, I'm going to be burning this later. It is absolutely delicious smelling. What else we got? Ooh, so this is where the biscuits comes in. We got a, by Adam's Apple, Southern styled biscuit mix. And this will make your biscuits, obviously. I'm just wondering how many biscuits, if this is, okay, so you just need one cup of the mix. This is 13 servings per container. So you can make 13 servings of biscuits. And you just add, let me see, you just mix it with a little bit of milk and water. And you roll it out and make your biscuits. You don't have to add anything else, just milk or a little water. So that is really cool. I like that. Who doesn't like some biscuits, right? Be morning, noon, and night. Give me some hot buttered biscuits. All right. Oh, and here, all right, this is my favorite item. It is a tea towel. It's by Aunt Martha's Dirty Laundry Tea Towels. It says, mind your own biscuits and life will be gravy. Very cute. And look, they even include a to and from card. Right there, a little card. You can give it as a gift. I think I'm going to be keeping this one. I know I'm going to be keeping this one. I love tea towels. Oh, it's nice cotton. Let's check it out. That's a good size tea towel. Trying to be more efficient here. Okay, yeah, this is a really nice size tea towel. See? And for those of us that sew, there is binding over here, and it's nicely, the corners are nice. They're not mitered, but they're folded over very nice and sewed on the back. So there is the tea towel. Very cute. Very, very cute. So that is it. We got 6 items in the box. We got the tea towel. We got the biscuit mix, and you can have 13 servings of biscuits. The coffee scrub for your body. Nice exfoliation there. And the Sunday brunch candle with the little waffles inside. The jam, and the spatula. That seems like more than 6 items to me. Yeah, no, that's 6 items and the spatula. So what do you think, guys? Sorry about the hectic nature of this unboxing. My life has been really today has been crazy, crazy day, and I am ready for it to be evening where I can just chill out because I've been doing a million things today, and I need to slow down. I need to slow down, but I wanted to put up this video because I love this box from Silver Swag. Remember, Jane 15 will give you your code for $15 off your first order at Silver Swag. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. I would so appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. Take care, everybody. Mwah. Bye.